What I've learned is that master's degrees are not necessary unless you're trying to get into a management position. I'm not biased against master's degrees. I think master's degrees are great. So master's degrees are usually for managers in cybersecurity anyway. You don't have to have one. If you want to be a manager, yes. If you have a bachelor's degree already in STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, of course, cybersecurity, computer security, IT, IS degrees, a bachelor's degree is enough with experience. It's not about the degree, it's about the experience. For a couple of my mentors, when I first really started, those guys didn't have a degree. I had a degree. I had certifications. I had a bunch of certifications. These guys didn't have a degree, didn't have certifications, and they were running circles around me because they had about 5-6 years of experience. These were cornerstone guys who everybody went to because they knew everything about the system. Experience, it's over everything. Experience is really what you want to get, right? If you want to be a manager, yeah, master's degrees. And the reason why that is because your directors, your senior level managers, your upper level managers, your upper level supervisors, your managers, they're competing against each other at a high level with a master's degree. Like when you get to the manager level, people at that level have master's degrees. That's who you're competing against when you put your resume. They have years of experience and they have a master's degree. That's who you're battling against. If you're trying to break into this field, they're not looking for a master's degree. They're not looking for experience, and experience wins every time. Your focus should, at this point, should be, I'm not telling you not to get one. A master's degree is great for growth, but you know, your time will be better spent if you're trying to break into this field, getting experience any way you can. Well, that's my 2 cents.